guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. And today we're going to be doing an install video on this hair from Shika&CoExtenstions. I partnered up with them to do promo on their 13x4 lace front unit. It's 20 inches and in the texture deep wave. So what I'm doing right here is taking my hot comb and some beeswax to make sure that the foundation is flat. And please do not mind my elbow, I know it's ashy. So normally with my curly hair, I often go with a middle part, so this is what I'm going to do today. Same thing, same old. Same thing with my straight hair. I normally do middle part, but right here I was just trying on the hair, making sure that it fit. And I didn't do a ball cap method because it just wasn't working out, so I just put the lace on my skin, and it was HD lace anyway, so it had a good melt to it, so I didn't have a problem. As you can tell right here, I wanted to really give up because of the frustration, and it was really getting on my nerves. And right here, took my hot comb again just to make sure that I got it extra flat so it can look good. Yeah, so this is the hair. Nice texture. It's a deep wave texture. Doesn't shed. This is it installed HD lace. Yeah, all I did was put water in it. And it looks pretty good. The shipping was pretty fast. It took about 2 or 3 days to get here to me. Yeah, it holds the girl well. Doesn't require too much product. Like I said, I just put water in this, and look at how good it looks. Pretty much looks like it's wet the whole day, so you basically get the wet look with this hair. Yeah, not shedding. You can do that. It doesn't shed, so nothing comes off of my hands. It took the bleach really well. I'm gonna have to do it one time, so that's pretty good. This hair is 20 inches. 20 inch. I think 13x4. Lace front wave. Deep wave. 180 density. So that's pretty full. Pretty thick. So that's pretty good. It's about right here on me. Right here. So basically it's bra strap. Yeah, bra strap length. And I'm loving this hair. I'm definitely gonna keep it. Usually I sell all my wigs. And I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, this is the hair from Shika&CoExtenstions company. Yeah, so this is 20 inches deep wave, 13x4 lace front wig from Shika&CoExtenstions hair company. I believe they have a website, so you can go and purchase. They also give out free products. You can follow them on their Instagram page. I'll put that right there. So yeah, the hair came in a regular plastic thing, like one of these, and it had the information on it. I don't know what I did with the one that came in, but honestly, I don't know. But came one of those. Then this with their logo on it. Put the logo. pretty cute logo. I really like it. And then their business cards. Business cards are in my room, so I have a video that I took already of them, so I'll just insert it. Yeah.